Sai Ram children, welcome to online session. Today we will do value education. Look at this picture. We can see different animals. These animals are showing tricks. You can see here elephant, even a tiger. So these are different tricks. Here also animals are showing different tricks. Here also. And where we see these animals? Usually in the circus. We go to circus and we see the different tricks of the animals. So today we are going to read an interesting chapter. How we should behave with such animals, or how should we behave with animals. In chapter 5, be kind to animals. Chapter 5, be kind to animals. Vinith was a young boy of 8. Like all children, he loved going to the park with his father and playing with his friends. He had two very good friends, Ravi and Suraj. The three boys enjoyed the horse, camel and elephant ride and often requested Vinith's father to let them ride the animals. Vinith's father always fulfilled their wish. However, Vinith's father wanted to show them a reality that animals used for entertaining humans are mostly treated cruelly. The Zuma circus had recently opened in their town. A huge tent and staying quarters for all the performers had been laid. So in this chapter we know it is the story of a young boy Vinith. And he loved going to park. His good friends, who were his good friends? Ravi and Suraj. And they enjoyed the animals' ride like horse, camel and elephant. And they also requested Vinith's father to let them ride the animals. And Vinith's father always fulfilled their wish. But Vinith's father also wanted to show them the reality that the animals used for entertaining humans are mostly treated cruelly. And then they came to know one day about the Zuma circus and they wanted to visit that circus. Vinith and his friends were thrilled at the prospect of seeing many animals at the circus. Besides, they would also enjoy the other artists and clowns. As usual, they requested Vinith's father to take them all to the Zuma circus. Vinith's father was only too happy to oblige because he wanted to show them how cruelly animals were treated. In the weekend, the boys and Vinith's father went to see the circus. The show began soon with a huge deafening bang. There was a lot of smoke near the entrance. Suddenly, a band of jokers leapt out of it and began playing tricks. The crowd laughed at their hilarious behavior. The boys enjoyed too. Everybody laughed and clapped hands. Then, one after the other, tigers, elephants, bears, giraffes, camels, lions with the ringmaster, fire breathers, gymnasts and trapeze artists put upon an enchanting show. At the climax, all the performers, including the animals, showed up together and accepted the applause of the crowd. The boys enjoyed the show and were very happy. So children, Vinith's father took them to the circus. And even the boys were excited. When they went, then when the show began and all, you know how the show begins with a huge deafening bang. So here also, with the bang and all, the show began. Then one by one, the animals, they showed the different tricks. There were the clowns and all. And crowd, the people, what they do? They laugh at the hilarious behavior. That is the funny tricks or their funny behavior. Even the boys enjoyed and they laughed and they clapped. And one by one all the animals, even the gymnasts, trapeze, they came and they performed. At the climax what happened? They all come together to accept the applause of the crowd. So even the boys were happy. As the boys and Vinith's father were coming out of the arena, a thin, tall man with a thick beard came ahead and shook his hands with Vinith's father. He was Mr. Om Prakash Tanna, the local animal rights activist, and Vinit's father introduced Mr. Tanna to the boys. The boys wondered why Mr. Tanna had come around. However, they didn't like too much about it as they were still remembering the enchanting show. So after the show, what happened? They came out. And Vinny's father, who came to meet him? Mr. Om Prakash Tanna, right? And who was Mr. Om Prakash Tanna? He was the local animal rights activist. And Vinny's father introduced Mr. Tanna to the boys. And the boys, they were still remembering the show. Mr. Tanna had come to show the boys the cruelty to animals in public entertainment places. He took them all behind the arena into the lodging area of all the performers. The sight there was not pleasing at all. The boys suddenly became serious. They saw that the poor animals which had been dressed and decorated beautifully for the show had now been mercilessly thrown back into their tiny cages or tied with rusted chains. So you can see here, children, this picture, how the animals are tied in the chains and they are back in their cages. And see the size of the cage, it is also too small. And you can see here the boys and Om Prakash Tanna showing them the condition of the animals behind. See, children, here Mr. Tanna, boys, and he is introducing them to Beena, the lioness. And the lioness could hardly fit in that cage. So even that cage, you can say it was small, no free movement for the animals. And the cage was dirty, even the cage was not cleaned. In the dirty cage and all, the lioness was living. And that cage was infested with flies. And whip marks were there all over Beena's body. And tears too were visible on her face. So boys realized that the marks had been hidden for the show with the help of makeup. Then you can see here children took cats. When they faced a similar plight. And there was stagnant water for the animals to drink. So children, even the water which was given even was that stagnant, not the pure water, and which gave rise to swarm of mosquitoes. And the animals, they were tied with the chains and the chains were rusted. So these chains and all also hurt them. And food the animals were fed was also not proper, or we can say sufficient food was also not given to them, and they were beaten badly. So naturally the animals, they wore a dejected look. Dejected look means you can say serious. They were sadness or the sad look. And from this condition we come to know they dislike the captive life. Captive means like the prisoners, how they live in a prison. So that life, and they wished that they also should be in the jungle, far away in the jungle or high up in the skies. And the Zoomer circus did not even have a veterinarian. You know, no veterinarian, that is an animals doctor. We tell vet, that is an animals doctor. Even the animals doctor was not there to attend the sick animals. So animals groans and moans, they are the sad cries and all, they fill the air, everything that the scene was, you can say, made everything that was sad. And then the boys realized that they regretted their decision to see the circus. We go to see the circus, we are excited, we wanted to see the enchanted show. But what is the condition? The animals are tortured. Children, the animals are tortured and made up to live such a terrible, in the terrible conditions they are living, not without proper food, air and all. Mr. Tanna then told the boys that even the animals at the park and the beach were treated in a like manner by their masters. He told them that the animals are made to work very hard day in and day out to make money for their masters. The animal owners tamed the wild beasts cruelly and made them perform weird tricks. These animals soon die in captivity. The animal owner then goes and captures another wild animal and continues his work. Mr. Tanna then told the boys that if, as a society, all the children rise up against the tyranny towards animals, then surely a change in respect to their treatment can be effected. Poaching too can be stopped if the young hands of the country join together and educate the society about the ill effects of the use of animal products. If the ecosystem and the ecological balance are to be maintained, then killing of animals and the destruction of their habitats must be stopped. Wild animals must be returned to where they belong originally, and man must foster love, respect and care for animals in his heart. The day at the circus opened the eyes of Vinit, Ravi and Suraj. They resolved to fight for the cause of the animals. So children, Mr. Tanna even told the boys about the condition of animals at the park and at the beach. Even they were treated in the like manner. And the animals were made to work hard. They were not given proper food. Even the water, we have seen the stagnant water. But they were working very hard. They were made to work hard. Then day in and day out. That is without any stop, we can say children. For making money for the masters. And the animal owners, what they do, they tame the wild beast, wild animals and all, they tame them. And that also cruelly they treat them, and they have to perform the weird tricks, and they soon die in the captivity. Captivity is like prisoners. So the condition we saw, it was like prisoners. And the animal owner, if these animals they die in captivity like prisoners, then what the animal owners do, they again go and capture another wild beast and continue their work. So Mr. Tanna told the boys that as a society, the children have to come together and fight for this condition of the animals. And even he told them the poaching too should be stopped. Now you know what is poaching? This illegal hunting or killing of animals. So this also should be stopped. And also we should make aware the society or the people about the ill effects of the use of animal products. And if we want to maintain the ecosystem, that is the ecological balance and the ecosystem, then the killing of these animals or destruction of their habitats. Habitat is their, we can say, original place where the animals live. That also destruction of their habitats should be stopped. And wild animals, they must return to where they belong to originally. And what the man must do, man must foster, that is a spread, that is or promote love, respect and care for animals in his heart. And the boys, they realized it, and you can say indirectly there the eyes were open. Soon they started a movement in their school called Save Animals, Save Mankind with the permission of their principal. They were joined by all the teachers and students. Other schools and many parents too joined their movement. Together, this group of animal lovers stops any kind of cruelty to animals that they come across. They actively complain to authorities and organize operations for rescuing animals used in public entertainment. They also have a group of volunteer veterinarians who attend to medical problems of rescued animals. Their work is to bring a pleasant change in the lives of many animals. Together, Vinit, Ravi, and Suraj and the others are holding aloft the message of kindness to animals. Moral: a man must foster love, respect, and care for animals in his heart. Remember, treat every living being as a mirror in front of you, and love will gush forth involuntarily. Swami Omkarananda. So children, we have to remember this saying. We have to treat every living being as a mirror in front of us. Like in mirror, when you see yourself. Same way, we have to treat every living being as a mirror, and love will gush forth involuntarily. And moral, we have to remember children, a man must foster love, respect and care for animals in his heart. So what we have to promote? We have to promote love, respect and care for animals. Maxim, Daya Bhuteshu. Show compassion towards all beings. At the sight of other beings in distress, draw sympathy and fellow feeling towards all. So we have to show compassion, that is sympathy, towards all beings. At the sight of other beings in distress, if you see any being is sad, in distress or in pain, we should draw sympathy. We should show sympathy and fellow feeling towards them. So, Daya Bhuteshu. See the children, animals. You can see the animals. They are in their natural habitats, enjoying. Thank you children. Sai Ram, take care.